Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the latest and greatest flagship which OnePlus has to offer, the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. So this is their latest and the greatest flagship device, and they have developed this in partnership with Hasselblad for their cameras. And apparently they have invested a lot of money for this partnership as well, and that does reflect in the pricing of these series of devices. The 9 Pro retails for 65,000 rupees in India, as you can see on the back, the pricing here. And they have this typical red box with the brandings, and on the back we have some specifications mentioned. Let's go ahead and peel this open sticker here. So this 9 Pro comes powered with the latest Snapdragon chipset, which is the Snapdragon 888, and it obviously supports 5G. Let's pull the lid here. And all right, so here we can see there's this indent for the Hasselblad powered camera. We'll keep the lid to the side, and the color which I have ordered here is the stellar black color, and it looks gorgeous and feels really good in the hands. We'll keep this to the side and we'll have a look at what else do we have in the package. All right, so this comes off, and this is a box, and this has multiple things. All right, so first up we have this case here. This is a thin TPU based plastic case. We'll apply that and see in the later parts of this video. We have our welcome guide, and we have a letter here probably. So this is a letter from Pete Lau, and if you want to read, you can pause and go ahead and read this. We also have our SIM ejector tool right here. We also have our safety information quick start guide booklets. We also have the Red Cable Club card, and we have some OnePlus stickers, so always good to have these. And that's about it. Apart from that, we have our 65 watt charger. So this is capable of charging the device in around 35-40 minutes, I believe. I'll be making a separate charging test video later on. And we also have our Type-C to Type-C red USB cable, as is the case with OnePlus always. So we'll keep these two things to the side, and we'll look at the phone itself. So here is the phone. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic. So basically this indicates the wireless charging, and this indicates the NFC contact area. And this is the phone itself. This feels really good in the hands, and okay, I can see that there is a pre-applied screen protector on. I'm not going to remove it for now, probably later on. And this back portion here, this is glass, but this is satin finish, as you can see. This is the stellar black color. This looks a lot like the sandstone finish which they used to have for the OnePlus 1, OnePlus 2 devices. This is not like that. It only looks like that, but it is not scratchy. It is actually very, very smooth. And on the back here we have our cameras, the 48 megapixel wide camera, the 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, the 8 megapixel telephoto, as well as the 2 megapixel macro camera. We have our OnePlus logo here. On the front, let's power it on. All right. So on the front, we have our 6.7-inch 2K display with 120 Hz. And this is an LTPO panel, which means that the display, the refresh rate of the display is actually variable, and it can go from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. We'll check that as well in upcoming videos. This is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. Continuing with the overview, on the right hand side we have our power button as well as the mute switch. That's a good thing that OnePlus has continued to include this mute switch. On the left hand side, we have our volume rockers. On the top, we have our microphone and the earphone grill. This doubles up as a speaker as well because this device does have stereo speakers. On the bottom, we have our SIM card slot, another microphone, Type-C port, as well as our speaker port. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and set this device up and I'll be back and then we'll have an overview of the device. I have set up the device now, so let's go ahead and look at a few of the things, a few of the highlights of the phone. First up, let's take a look at the SIM card tray. So I've already popped it out from the bottom part here. This is of course a dual SIM phone with the SIM cards going on the parallel sides, one on the opposite side and one on this side. So let's put this tray back. Also, let's go ahead and click some pictures as the camera is one of the major highlights of this phone. So here is my MX Master 3. So this is the picture which we have clicked. Looks sharp on the front part, and the last on the towards the the further end does look like blurred out. So looks fine. Probably I'll be testing the camera more and talking about the camera in my upcoming videos as well. For the 120Hz screen, so this is GSM Arena which I have opened up here, and this is my first time actually owning a 120Hz display phone. I have previously used the iPad Pro with 120Hz display. I actually had the 2017 model, and yeah, this does feel similar to that, and this brings back memories of those days. And this really feels very, very smooth and good in a way, right? Also, I tested the speakers and they do seem pretty loud. So this is my YouTube channel, of course, where you are watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already because I make technology related videos. Let's go ahead and play this video here. Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing something special. And this is the OnePlus 9 series gift bundle from OnePlus. So I was able to order it from the one. And yeah, in a later part of this video, I'll put it on and show how it looks. So that was the OnePlus 9 series gift bundle video. I'll leave a link to that as well in the description if you haven't watched that video already. And as you saw, the video quality as well as the audio quality are really good. At least that's what my initial impressions are. And yeah, with that would be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making more videos of this device in the coming few days. Cases, accessories, software features. If there is anything which you would like me to make a video on, do let me know it in the comment section down below, and I'll try to make a video on that particular topic. With that said, that would be it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit the thumbs up button down below. And also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.